better. What's up, guys? It's your boy Junior at Empire Limited. We are going to be doing videos of DIY divisions. So it's pretty much do-yourself videos. But I'm going to show you, teach you maybe, of how to do it. We're going to be working on a Tundra. We're going to be doing a body mount chop. What a body mount chop is, the benefits of doing it is where you're able to run bigger tires or wider wheels on your vehicles. So what I use is a power tool with a 10 socket, or if you don't have that, use a ratchet or a wrench, 10 wrench, 10 ratchet, either one, whatever you have. Then you're also going to be using a grinder. I use a plasma cutter in the video and a welder. If you don't know no one with a welder, you might have to invest in one because you do need a welder for this job. That's a wrap.
Is it recording? You sure?
Yeah, that's in the red light.
Look, there's a red light.
Hey, look, Ma, I made it. Hey, look, Ma, I made it. Everything's coming up aces, aces. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. I said, hey, look, Ma, I made it.
Oh, I thought I was gonna catch it.
Oh shit, my bad, right?
They wanna take my trophies.
Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we already got the tires off. Next is we're going to take the mud flap off. You're going to use a 10mm socket or a ratchet. It's up to you what tools you have. Alright guys, so next you're going to grab the body mount plate and mock it up where you're going to go and get your plate, put it on the bracket, and you're going to mark where the plate would be, where you would cut it at. So it's going to be right here. Come in a little bit on top, a little bit more. Then kind of use this as a flat edge. Just bring it down. Then what I always do is whenever I weld the bracket on, I always bend it in so you just get a little bit more clearance. Where I marked the back is right here. Then where I marked the front would end right here. So I'm just going to get the nice long flat piece and mock it up right there and just draw a straight line straight across. And that is where I'm going to cut. Next, if you're going to grind the part off, you don't have to do this, but for welding it back on, you're going to have to do this process. Is the process that you're going to disconnect the battery so you won't short out the computer. Now I'm going to do the process of cutting this, but I'm going to use a plasma. If you don't have plasma, no worries. You could do this process with a grinder. got done cutting the piece off. Now we're going to get the grinder and just clean it up a little bit. Then tack this on, mock it up, and weld it on. So I tacked these two corners first, then I tack welded right here, then I bent the metal in and tack it in so it would stay in place, so it fits to the cut that I did. Alright, so after you get done cutting, welding, grinding, whatever you did, you got bare metal on the frame. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to paint it to protect the metal. After you did the primer, you get some black paint and you just finish it. And just like that, the process is done.